I've just replaced the intercooler on my 2019 Movano van. It's a van I've bought to do up as another camper van. I've already got a Renault Master, which is exactly the same van basically, and I thought I'd just show you that I've done this. I tried to do it with the bumper on, but I've seen a video of somebody doing it with the bumper on. It's a bit more complicated than he made it look, really. And I'm no mechanic, so I'm no expert. So for 10 minutes more, I removed the bumper, the grille from there, and then the bumper, which is quite easy to do. There's lots of videos showing you how to do that. And then it gave me full access to the intercooler. There's the old one, as you can see. It's not in great condition. I don't know if you can make that out or not properly, but so needed changing, so I thought I'd do it. It's not too difficult. You've got to, when you get access to it, you've got to take off the two pipes. There's one on this side and there's one on the other side, which is you stick a screwdriver in and prise open the little clips. I'll put it back, then that pulls off. You go to the other side and they do the same with that one. Again, prise the clips, pull that off. They're the only two pipes connected to the intercooler. Now I also undid this nut here, so got the old spanner out, undid that so I could move this out the way because it wouldn't come down while that was in the way. So managed to do that. This side just clips in. There is two slots, one just there, I don't know if you can see that, and one on the other side. I've got two screwdrivers, pushed them in, and there's two little, I'll show you on the old one, those there. You push those in, pull it down, that side then drops down, the other side is slotted in like that, so just pull it that way and it drops down and comes out. New one goes in the other way, clips back up, tighten that back up, put them back on, put that back on, and Bob's your uncle. But yeah, I think it needed changing, so all good. Hopefully I'll get the bumper back on and see how we go. So you see it weren't too difficult. I've not tightened all the screws up yet. There's a screw there to do, screw there. There's a couple underneath to do. Same on this side. One there, just putting loose for now. Tighten them up in a sec. And then there's a plastic panel to go underneath the van, which I'm not putting on yet because I've got a couple of other jobs I need to do. So I'll get round to that. There we go, simple as.